What's up YouTube, this is B-Side Investing. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, be sure to subscribe and join us on our journey. Please know that this is for your entertainment. I'm not a financial advisor. Invest safe, think for yourself, and do your own research. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. What's up guys, this is our weekly checkup. So it's just a review to look at what our 10K challenge is looking like. So we are currently in, I want to say 2 months and 1 week past now. So sitting at 62. Okay, 3400. Right, so this is under our TFSA. We're using Wealthsimple to trade this. Now, since I'm Canadian, well, if any Canadians that would like to trade with Wealthsimple, I'll link my referral in the description below. This is kind of a way to help the channel out, and I'll greatly appreciate that. Thank you. Okay, let's move on. So currently, let's see. In total, we're up 235%, up $2,400. If I look, let's see here. Right. So we got our 4 horses here. BGNO is our main horse right here. So bingo. Alright, so if you remember, we sold 100 shares of bingo to get these guys. And also we sold CRNT, so that's Ceragon Network. And just because I sold it here doesn't mean that I've sold it in my other portfolio. So I still hold Ceragon Network, and I believe in the 5G technology that they have, and that their price is gonna shoot up at least double. Right, okay. Now if you look at bingo, bingo's down. Yeah, it's down this week, 2.9%. okay, that's okay. Not really, no major news except for the cancer thing, which did give it a boost. We should see some sell-off maybe happening still. Nothing alarming, so we should still be good for our $15 price target. I said it I think a week ago or something, so now maybe 2 weeks left. So in 2 weeks or so we should get to our price target of $15, and then we'll set a new price target when we reach that. If you look at the price chart, actually, this action, we are currently, looks like, yeah, we're looking at, yeah, this is a horrible chart to look at. That's what I just usually use Yahoo Finance here. Okay, looking into it. Why am I going into HIVE? We're looking at bingo, my bad. Right, come on, there we go. So 1 month, we're looking, it did kind of consolidate here around 11. Yeah, between 10 and 11. We have a new support, looks like, at 1083. 1083. Okay, so now once it breaks, I want to say 1150. Well, if it gets past 12, we should see like 1210, 1220. We should see it run to 1250, $13. We'll see what happens next week. Alright, getting back into our portfolio here. Okay, now the biggest one, the next biggest one is HIVE, blockchain technologies. Now the rest are crypto stocks, so just crypto mining stocks. So I just want to make this clear. With these crypto stocks, you have to be careful. If you aren't in that mindset of getting, like, crypto stocks are gonna react to what Bitcoin and HIVE, Ethereum is gonna do. So it's gonna go up and down regularly. So if you aren't ready to, like, mentally ready to, like, see it go down like 20% one day, then the crypto stocks are probably not for you, because these are highly volatile stocks. Now I'm in this because I know that my conviction is that it's gonna shoot up double, triple, but you have to build your own conviction by doing your own research. That's why you have to make your own decision, because no one else is going to make that for you, right? So okay, now let's see. Actually, I looked at the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum today. Currently it's at minus. Why is it showing? Okay, well, I'm looking at the BTC to USD. Let's see. Yeah, Bitcoin is down today. Right, so it hit a high here, so we should see it go down. Yeah, we should see a few percentage drop in BTC. If we look at Ethereum to USD, Ethereum went down from 1650s. Let's see, high of 1700. Right, okay. If this remains the same come Monday morning, then we should see a drop in both Ethereum and Bitcoin mining stocks, so HIVE and the rest. Let's see. Okay, that might be a good buying opportunity if anyone is looking to get into that. Now let's see the next one. I do have a chart here. Let's see. So these are the mining stocks and their current hash rate and their future hash rate, projected hash rate. So HIVE is the second biggest, kind of, in terms of hash rate that they have right now. So that's 1 exahash. So that means it's 1000 petahash. Just the conversion I made here, just so for you guys to follow if you aren't well versed in that. Me neither, that's why I needed this to look at for reference. So their future projected is about 1.22 exahash, and let's see, they didn't give a date, so that's probably end of 2021. Next is HUT8. HUT8 is 1.03 exahash, so they're the biggest one in terms of hash rate for now, and their projected is 1.506 exahash in turn, like around June 2021 is their deadline. Now Bitfarm is at 965 petahash, 965 petahash to 1.2 exahash it's about Q1, end of Q1, so March 2021. Now Mara is the biggest one that potentially is going to be the biggest one at 10.36 exahash by probably at the end of, I think it's February next year. So they have a few thousand rolling in every month, like I think February, March and April they have a few thousand coming in, so their hash rate is going to keep going up and up. And they also hodl a lot of Bitcoin, so they have a really big chance or opportunity to grow really big. They're already the biggest in terms of market cap, so they're gonna multiplex a lot. DigiHost is the one that I'm looking into right now, into investing. It's sitting at $1 Canadian, and it's a Canadian stock, obviously. That's why I'm looking into it. It's much easier for me to invest that way, like Argo blockchain here. This UK in the OTC, I'm not even sure if no, it's not available in Wealthsimple, so I'm gonna probably use my other portfolio, other trading platform, see if they can let me buy Argo blockchain. If not, then it is what it is, right? So my ranking would be HIVE, HUT, Bitfarm. I'm gonna add Mara. I'm not sure about RIOT, because otherwise I'll probably leave out RIOT. They still have potential. It's not like they don't have potential, right? So, and I'm gonna buy DigiHost. Now DigiHost, I think they're sitting at couple hundred petahash. So they're probably similar to Mara right now, but they don't have this future growth here. They've already bought the orders in, it's already being made. If you look at Bitmain, their website, it's all sold out. And why do you think it's sold out? Because Mara put in close to freaking 100,000 miners purchased. They put in close to 100,000 purchase orders. So yeah, think about that. So this is the one that everyone is buying right now because of the space, like 110 terahash per second, and then space and like everything it's pretty much the same as this. And then this one is saying only 84 terahash. This is the older model and this is the new one. So yeah, all right, now moving into HUT8. All right, so HUT8 1.03 exahash now and 1.5 incoming. So sorry, not incoming, this is their their future hash rate. Don't want you to get confused with that one. Okay, so I hold 160 shares at 864, and this week we're up, well, not this week, but all time we're up 11.8%, which is pretty good. Actually, I should probably do that with the other ones here. So Bingo total share of $1,093.99 shares, and we're up 277%. Now Bingo, I'm still confident that it'll go up. So yeah, actually I have a few videos coming in on the next few videos. I'm probably gonna do about DigiHost, that's a DGHI, and CPS Technologies, and I'm looking into OCGN, so that's Okigen. They shot up 61%, and after hours they shot up 64, so they're currently sitting at a price of 861. So yeah, definitely gonna look into that too. So, and yeah, okay, so let's just keep this moving on. Nope. HIVE. Okay, HIVE, we have, let's see, 355 shares, total value of 994, that's Canadian dollars, and total we're up 9.8%. This is pretty good. So the last one is Bitfarm. Bitfarm, I don't have much share. I added a few later, but still 40 shares at $153 Canadian, and 24% up. So that's average between the 2 times that I purchased. Okay, so I think that's all for this video, right? So we're doing really well. Like this week we're up 6%. It could have been worse. I mean, Bingo didn't really perform as I wanted to, but it held in there, so that's all that matters. And let's see, last week we're up, and yeah. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more content and more updates on challenges, you know. And yeah, if anyone wants to use Wealthsimple and is a Canadian, please use the link in my description below to help out the channel. And thank you for watching. All right, peace, thanks.